This is a great water bottle. This is the Camelbak Eddy charcoal color. The problem with the bottle is that this cap is spilling when I'm in the car, and it's because of the vibration, or it's just when it's sitting on the desk. I have a video, I'm gonna put it here, of the cap just sitting on the desk and spilling for no apparent reason. I got in contact with Camelbak, and they said that if I was in one of their legal countries, they would send me a replacement cap. I'm in Romania. They don't have I don't know how they say, a franchise here. They can send me a replacement cap, and I have to buy this, and I bought this. The other option was to buy just this, but the whole thing was cheaper. It was cheaper for me to buy just this than those 4 bottle caps. I'm gonna pause here and put the cap on it. So yeah, this is how it looks with the new bottle caps, and this is the old bottle cap that I'm just gonna put it in the plastic recycling thingy. I don't know what's wrong with it. I don't care. I just want to have a functional water bottle. That's all.